What's up, TikTok? I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to show y'all how to do a frontal sew-in from start to finish. First off, I want to show y'all my foundation, how neat my foundation. You have net in the back and HD lace cap in the front. Right here, you see me sewing the frontal down from side to side. I start in the middle and go to each side and sew it all the way down. When you get close to the ear, you definitely want to sew up until there's no gap between your ear and your tracks. Like that, you see how it looks very neat, very clean. In the front is giving very much her real hair. We're going to cut off the ear tabs, and then we're going to start laying the glue. My first layer of glue is very thick, and also in front of the hairline. You don't want to put the glue on top of the braids. Always, always, always put your glue in front of your hairline. Now we are going to pull the lace down into the glue. This is where you get that good old melt, and start pushing it in with the comb. On this next clip, we are going to be sewing the first track in. I start my first track at the ending of the frontal. So by the ear, I'll start from ear to ear and go around the back of the head. Right here, I'm going to show y'all how I get that seamless flip over. I don't flip over both tracks. I pull one track to the front, and then I fold the other track, and then I start to sew. Right here, you'll see how I sewed it down, how neat it is. It's not bulky or anything. Right here, you see how neat the tracks are laying from side to side. At this point, you want to start going from side to side with your tracks, all the way up until you get to the top. This is how you're going to close it off. Right here, we are cutting off any excess lace on the frontal. It's best to use the eyebrow razor. I think it gives it like a thin cut. I don't know. I just think it cuts it better than the scissors. Now we are going to add our foam. This is going to help us with our parting and how we want the hair to lay. So basically you're molding it into the direction that you want the hair to go. Now I'm going to put on my lace melting spray and put a band on top of that. And she's going to sit under the dryer until her hair is all dry. Once her hair is dry, we are going to start curling. I recommend that you section the hair off in two sections, do one side at a time, and pin it up with the hairpins. When curling, I always recommend that you curl upward in the back and then flip the hair in the opposite direction. So if my hair is coming out of my face, I don't think anybody wants their hair curled into their face. So you want to curl it away from the face on each side. Once you get that curl where you want it, you want to drop it from the curling iron and pin it up. Right here, my curlers got stuck. This is kind of like my first time using them. Kind of getting new with these, but I got it. It wasn't hard at all. Kind of frustrating, but not hard. Now I'm going to pin this curl up, and you want to continue to do this all the way until you get to the top. After the pins have been dropped, I'm going to take my hot comb and I'm going to lay it down before I start my comb out. And this is what you get, guys. See you next time.